Abner. Careful now. This is a two-hand zone.
Do some shit.
Yeah, it's been too peaceful around here.
Yeah, I saw that old geezer up by the pile of junkies building.
Yeah?
There was some witch with him.
Really? What would he do with one?
I think he's her old man.
Oh, you know what? She probably comes to change those diapers old geezers wear.
Man, they stink.
Man, he ought to be in one of those old geezer places.
I know.
Shouldn't you kids be in school?
It's a holiday.
Really, which one?
Support your local cops day. Didn't you hear?
Ooh, he's coming.
You know anything about vandalism at the middle school last night?
Is there vandalism at the middle school? That sounds bad. What happened?
Some punk kids got in and did some serious damage.
Well, how do you know it was kids? Could have been anybody. Adults, old people. It's not fair that kids always get the blame.
A big joke, huh? You won't be laughing if we find out you had something to do with it.
Maybe we can help you find the ones that did it. We'll talk to that old nut with the boat. Maybe he saw something.
But he's probably as blind as a bat.
Yeah.
You do want to support your law enforcement day.
Stay away from him, understand? Did you hear me? I said stay away.
Yes, sir, officer. Enjoy your holiday.
You should go get some free donuts down at the shack.
You watch yourself. And the rest of you too. Wise up. Get out of here!
Go, let's go.
Hey, old man!
Some things you gotta do alone. You'll learn that someday.
This is Helen Grant at the beach where a troubling story is developing. Abner Green, who had been building a boat that was vandalized and nearly destroyed by a gang of juveniles, was served with an order from the county to remove or tear down the vessel. Now, Green refused to obey the order, and a bulldozer arrived about an hour ago to dispose of the boat. But the vessel, a sailing sloop, we're told, along with Green, is gone. It appears the elderly and determined man may have actually launched the boat and put out to sea.
Whoa. Oh my God.
It's not there anymore.
It's actually gone.